Boosted post is the same as an ad. No, never, 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 never. Don't button smash. You know what we call these people? Let me show you something. When you got a post on your fan page, you know what we call these people? Wait for it. I'll go to my fan page to see it how you're going to see it because you're probably not looking in the insights just yet. This is what you see, right? You post something up to your Facebook. You're out here, you know what I mean? Putting out content out there, doing it, generating some exposure. Check me out at 16 years old, you guys. I thought I was so cool with that pompadour puff. I was all about it. This is my headshot when I was 16 out there trying to make it. And if you haven't read this post, please go read it. So look, boost post, right? You see this, you're like, oh, I just want to boost this post. This is what I would refer to as a button smasher. Smash the button, and then you just buy the ad. You know why Facebook does that? You know why Facebook... I don't want it to... can you stop playing, please? Hold on, sorry. Yeah. Let me see if I can get it to stop playing. I want to show you this. No, it's auto plays. All right. It's funny. Anyways, the reason they do this for people who don't know how to use this. They do this for people who are overwhelmed at the ads manager. But you have so much less control boosting a post than you do using the ad. This gives you so much more control using the actual advertising. The reason this thing exists is so that you can have more of a nuanced approach to advertising rather than just smashing a button and letting Facebook figure it out for you. Don't recommend it. Boost your posts by actually setting up ads. It's the same thing, right? Boosting a post is just running an ad, but it's running an ad with much less filters attached to it where you're saying kind of what you want, how you want it, where you want it. They just do this for people who don't know what they're doing, so I don't recommend it.